Thanks for joining us right now at 5:30. First up for you today, wearing masks in public has become part of the new norm during the pandemic.
Oh, yes, it has. And now many in the medical field have reason to believe there's an added benefit to mask wearing. Channel 3's Mark Robbins joins us live to explain. So what's the good news, Mark?
Well, I tell you what, you're right. Wearing masks critical in slowing the spread of the coronavirus. But that is not all, and not by a long shot. While everyone is focused on getting a shot to protect against COVID-19, doctors say wearing masks, practicing social distancing, and good hygiene are having a positive effect on our overall health. We're in the middle of the flu season, and doctors are seeing lower than average case numbers.
COVID and influenza are transmitted much in the same way, both through aerosols primarily, but also in contaminated surfaces. And so a lot of the interventions that we're doing to prevent COVID certainly are having an impact on influenza.
Dr. Dykhouse says the lower influenza numbers in Connecticut match those found nationwide, and he believes things will only get better if we follow protocols and don't go back to the bad habits that can promote viruses spreading.
In the past, if one was sick, people would tough it out and go to work, and that was an opportunity for influenza to spread in the workplace or the school. Whereas now we really are messaging that people should stay home until we've ruled out COVID, and that is really limiting the transmission of influenza for this year.
And if you're looking for some numbers to back up these statements, the good doctor has a couple of major interests.
The state's only reported 11 hospitalizations and 1 death related to influenza, which is much below what we would expect by this time this year.
At DPH website, the influenza season began in November. We've had those 11 cases the doctor referenced through last week. In the 2018-2019 season, there were more than 3,500 hospitalizations. So even with a few months left in the flu season this year, we're way short of those typical numbers. I'm Mark Robbins, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.